I'm currently shooting through my Lumix GHL, a Wolfsonax Sinvilla Stigmat 25mm C-mount lens, serial number 44187, f1.5 to f16, 2 feet to infinity. I currently am filming at ISO 200 at infinity and f11. As you can see, it's a really nice picture, and you can use this with C-mount lenses and cameras such as the Bolex and Bell & Howell, which I sell those also. This takes a good picture and is very desirable with modern 4/3 cameras because it has the least amount of lens flare. I'll also take pictures at infinity, 7 feet, 2 feet, and a test shot wide open at 4 feet. Also includes a Kodak size 5 adapter ring fitted to the lens, and it comes with one Kodak Chrome Haze filter size 5 with the original Kodak case in excellent condition. You could get additional filters on eBay, very reasonably priced. It's a really nice lens. Thank you for looking.